2, 3, 4.
I'm not much for dope or drink, and that's thanks to Dr. Shrink. But one thing I can't kick is I can't kick the man. You're pathologically addicted to what we call a dickhead. Cheaters and liars seem to light your fire. And girl, you gotta get clean. So I did, yeah I did. I took a bath with a sociopath. I took a bath with a sociopath. I take a bath with a sociopath over a date with Bill Gates. Any day, 'cause I